Hello guys and welcome to my new video. In this video we will continue to solve a problem using the C programming language. So first of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel and let's start our video. Exercise 6. Write a C program to input temperature in Celsius and convert it to Fahrenheit. So first of all, in this exercise I need to declare the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit using the float data type because the temperature can be a decimal number. So first step, float C and F. Second step, I need to tell the user to give me a value or a temperature to convert it. The temperature is in Celsius. Later, I need to convert it to Fahrenheit using this formula. F for Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Using this formula, I can convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And finally, I need to use the printf function to print the value on the screen. Let's write the code and let's start with hashtag include studio.h integer main. So float Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now input temperature. I need the temperature in Celsius. So printf enter the temperature in Celsius. Scanf percentage F because it's a float, and Celsius. Now I need to convert the number using this formula. Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. And finally printf percentage 2 dot 2 F Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit. And finally return 0. Return 0. Now let's run the code to see the result. And here we have a small hold its cells. So enter the temperature in Celsius, for example 25, and this is the result. Now in exercise 7, I will a C program to input a number of day from the user and convert it to years, week, and days. So first of all, I need to declare the days, years, and week. I need to give him an integer data type, integer day, week, and years. This is the first step. Later, I need to tell the user to give me a number of day using the printf and scanf function. Later, I need to convert it. How to convert the year? I need to use this formula. Year is equal to number of day that entered by the user, days, divided by 365. The weeks, to know the number of weeks, it's day, the number of days, modulo 365 also, divided by 7. The number of days, it's days, equal to days minus years times 365 plus weeks times 7. And finally, I need to print all the results on the screen. This is how to convert the number of days to years, weeks, and days. Let's write the code and start with hashtag include studio.h, integer main, and integer days, years, and weeks. Second step, input number of days. Printf, enter days, scanf, percentage %d because it's an integer, and day. This is the first step, it's done. Now let's convert the number of days to years, week, and days. Let's start with years. Years is equal to the same formula, weeks and finally the days, and weeks times 7. Now let's print all the results on the screen. Printf, the first one is for years, for years. The second one is for weeks, also printf weeks, weeks. And finally, printf days, days. And return 0. And now let's run the code to see the result. Give him, I don't know what is the number, and let's put this number, for example. and this is the number of years, this is the number of week, and this is the number of days. Okay guys, now in exercise 8, write a C program to input two angles from the user and find the third angle of the triangle. So first of all, I need to declare the three angle A, B, C, for example. Second step, I need to tell the user to give me a value of A and a value of B. Later, I need to use the formula C, this angle that I need to calculate, is equal to 118 minus A plus B. Using this formula, I can find the value of C. And finally, I need to print the value on the screen. Let's write the code. Start with hashtag include studio.h integer main integer A, B, and C. Now input two angles. Printf enter two angles of triangle. Scanf %d %d and A and B. Now let's calculate C minus A plus B. And finally, print the result on the screen. Printf third angle of the triangle is equal to %d C and return 0. Let's run the code. For example, 20 and 30. And this is the value of the third angle of the triangle.